Hey everyone, Alan Welch here, A-Team Roofing. I want to show you all a job we just wrapped up here in historic downtown Dickson, Tennessee. I worked with another project manager, Blake Talbott, as well as our senior project manager, Cody Gallivan. We were able to get this roof fully approved through insurance. We were recommended to this customer by their neighbor, who we also got their roof done as well recently. I believe the video will come out soon, so look for that as well. We did our full inspection free of charge as normal. We found quite a bit of damage on the building, and we recommended filing a claim with their insurance company. They went ahead, filed the claim. We were able to meet the inspector and work with the adjuster and come through and get full approval for full replacement of the roof. It's quite an extensive project. The building's, over 100 years old. It's downtown. It's very congested, parking, alleys, wires over top. We had to rent heavy equipment, a 10,000-pound, 50-foot lift to get the equipment up and the material up, to get all the trash and everything down. We ended up tearing off pretty much the entire deck and doing quite a bit of repairs. We put a brand new deck on this roof, and then we're able to put a brand new Duro-Last roof on there. We are a certified Duro-Last installer here in the Middle Tennessee area. We put it on, and it comes with a 15 or 20-year warranty depending on certain factors. This customer went with the white, which we think works really well on this commercial type building downtown here. It's the same as the neighbor, but we were able to get this job wrapped up in about 5 days, and I think the customer was really happy. If you have any roofing needs in Middle Tennessee, commercial or residential, feel free to give us a call at 615-205-7663. Thank you so much.